Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Anne's Public School, Baghpat, online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 6, concept of cost. As you know that in my previous video, we have discussed means different relation of different cost. But today we are going to discuss some numerical questions of this chapter. But today we will discuss type second, because you know that in my previous video we have discussed means some numericals in form of type 1. See, now the total cost curve makes an intercept of rupee 50 on the y axis. Now please make diagram according to this statement. The total cost curve makes an intercept of rupee 50 on the y axis. Suppose, see, this is TC, you know that, and always remember, means at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC, TC is equal to TFC. You know that at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC, and TFC is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. You know that it means TFC curve will be like this. It means at this zero level of output means see, total cost curve makes an intercept of rupee 50 It means at this point TC is equal to TFC. So it means calculate total fixed cost and total variable cost. Always remember, means you have to find first of all TFC. Means if you want to find AFC, TC, ABC, any cost, but first of all you will find total fixed cost. So according to this statement, TFC will be, you know that, because TFC remains constant at all levels of output. So this is clear. See, total variable cost, TVC. See, TC is here and TFC is here. So I will use this formula. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. TC minus TFC. 50, 40, 70, 110. So I hope, means first of all you will calculate TFC and you will calculate TVC. But according to this statement, TC curve intercept on the y-axis at or you can say of rupee 50, and you know that at zero level of output, TC and TFC curve start from the same point which is above the origin. You can say which is on the y-axis. So at this level of output, TC is equal to TFC. So according to this statement, TFC will be equal to 50, and you know that TFC remains constant at all levels of output. Then after you will calculate TVC, because see, how will you calculate TVC? TC is given here and TFC is here, so you will use this formula. So please pause the video and note down this. See, next question. The vertical distance between TVC curve and total cost curve is fixed at rupees 60 at all levels of output. On the basis of this data, calculate TC. And question is here, output in units 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and TVC is given here 0, 30, 40, 45, 55, 75, and 1 to 0. See, first of all, again we will calculate TFC, but first of all, please make this diagram. Means this diagram will help you can say this diagram will help to find TFC. To find TFC, see, you know that TFC curve will be like this, and this is TC, and this is TVC. See, the vertical distance between TVC curve and total cost. The vertical distance between TVC and total cost. Vertical distance remains same. Always remember, because you know that the gap between TC minus TVC means the gap between TC and TVC is equal to TFC, and you know that TFC remains constant at all levels of output. You know that TFC remains constant at all levels of output. So you means you can say like this, the gap between TC and TVC, gap means difference. The difference between TC and TVC will remain same. So it means the vertical distance means gap. Vertical gap or vertical distance will remain same because TFC remains same at all levels of output, and vertical distance, see, vertical distance is equal to TFC. Vertical distance between TC and TVC is equal to TFC, and TVC remains same at all levels of output. See, curve is fixed at rupees 60. It means that at all levels of output, so TFC will be 60. Now after this, on the basis of this data, calculate TC. See, TVC is given here, TFC is given here, so I will use this formula of TC. TFC plus TVC. See, 60, 90, 100, 105, 115, 135 and 180. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate, or you can say how will you solve type third question. Means first of all, again you will calculate first of all TFC, then after you will calculate any cost like TC, AFC, AC, but first of all you will calculate TFC. So please pause the video, note on this. See, next question. Calculate TVC, ATC. ATC means AC. ATC means AC. AFC, ABC and MC. Now again, first of all you will calculate TFC. First of all, before to find all these costs, first of all you will calculate TFC. See, how will you calculate TFC? Because no information is given here, so see, please see in this table, see, you know that at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC, so at zero level of output TC is equal to 60, so TFC will be 60. Now calculate TVC. Now TC is here, TFC is here, so I will use this formula. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. 0, 20, 40, 40 and see 51. Now 6 and 56, 70 and 90. So this is the these are the value of TVC. Then after calculate AC and see, TC is here, output is here, means Q. So I will use